mobile home job. I really dislike mobile homes. They're so complicated to work on. This one had a house trap as well, so I usually run my smaller cable to get past the house trap. This line shared a septic tank with like 3 other mobile homes, and then it has a dry well. So very complicated to figure out if it's a clog in the house sewer line or if it's a septic tank issue. This one ended up being a septic tank issue, so the park is responsible for the repair, not the homeowner. So I couldn't really do much. It's very